I walked into Goompi Hall, Easels standing in a row. Sunlight slid across the floor, polite smiles in a gentle glow. Boards of pastel futures beamed, each one neatly pre-approved. Everyone was friendly, everyone meant well, but looking at those pictures you could immediately tell the story started somewhere else, long before we walked inside. I raised a quiet hand, got a Li-DAR scan. I'll feed it through my Gen-A-I, see what designs might fly. The staffer blinked and said, above my pay grade, friend, no one's asked me that before. I floated up the chain for sure. No villains in the sunlight, just a shallow kind of care. Placards filled with pastel breeze, but the earth is missing there. Show the depth beneath the paint, show the tides that pull the sand, then let coders, elders, and kids shape the future by their hands. Where's the ground beneath the picture? Where's the shape beneath the paint? Where's the survey? Where's the data? Show us what the artist can't. If this gateway belongs to all of us, why can't we see it all? The future shouldn't start and end inside a town hall. Sea-link ferries shine like spaceships, cleaner than the ones before. But every other year the tickets climb, squeezing locals more and more. And no one believes somehow the numbers will come down. Money flows across the water to the big end shareholder town. Give us the point cloud love, give us the baseline keys. Maybe most ideas are rubbish, maybe 99 won't stick, but one might solve our parking, or make the wildlife safer, or start a new business, or teach skills that never leave. And one might change the island to keep the value locally. Where's the ground beneath the picture? Where's the shape beneath the paint? Where's the point cloud? Where's the baseline? Show us what the artist can. The public pays for every scan, every survey line. Why should the knowledge disappear the moment it's designed? I don't want a perfect future, I don't think one exists. Every choice creates another problem nobody can fully fix. But give the school the side model, give local elders the same view, give local builders and programmers a chance to think it through. So show us the ground beneath the picture, show us what is really there. Not because we hate the project, not because we do not care, but because the strongest future isn't bought and shipped to shore. It's built by people standing here, who'll still be here when others go. We don't want a perfect plan, just one that